This morning, wildfires are blowing up all over Colorado. The worst in the Black Forest area north of Colorado Springs, growing to about 8,000 acres in a matter of hours. As many as 60 structures have been damaged or destroyed. The blaze is out of control. Police help.
Our mandatory evacuation area is about 24,000 acres. Right now we're estimating the fire to have consumed somewhere between 7,500 and 8,000 acres. It's affected a population of 5,469.
They had the road blocked off, they wouldn't let us in. And finally I persuaded them to let me go in and get our dogs.
Dry, windy conditions and record hot triple-digit temperatures. Denver broke a record. Tuesday's 100-degree high, the earliest on record.
The fire is still pretty well scattered. It's not just one wall of fire. Has seen
2 more Colorado fires are burning out of control. One forced evacuations of the scenic Royal Gorge Park near Canyon City. At least 3 structures burned there. And another blaze is burning out of control in Rocky Mountain National Park. Large plumes of smoke can be seen for miles as firefighters dig in for a long, hard fight.